Hi, welcome to KidLivZ. This is my brother Darshan. In 2017, Darshan was having a treatment for cancer, and our family learned how the food he ate helped him to get better. We worked with our nutritionists, who helped us to understand which foods would help support Darshan to survive his treatment and his cancer. Since then, Darshan has led our family to give unhealthy foods a chop. We want to help other kids make good choices about what they eat. So these videos tell you all about the foods that we've chosen to eat. Darshan and I have a huge amount of fun learning and experimenting to cook. We hope you enjoy watching and we inspire you to do the same. Oh, and by the way, I'm Anise. Darshan just farted. Oh my god, he did twice.
Today we're going to be making a red lentil dal with some white rice and some caramelised onions. So,
let's get started.
A good amount of coconut oil. This is turmeric coconut oil, but you can use normal coconut oil. I'm going to add, this is 2 onions, chopped into slithers. So I could probably just put that in there. So the onions are just going to cook for a little bit, and until they get soft. Then I'm going to add some garlic and ginger. So these have got nice and soft, and they're starting to sizzle a little bit. So I'm going to add garlic and ginger. Ginger is really good for you because it's anti-carcinogenic, just like turmeric. Oh, and while those are cooking, I'm going to toast some cumin, coriander seeds and mustard seeds. And then Anise has got those onions in that pan at the moment. So you just want to keep stirring these onions. I would suggest using a spoon like this. You don't have to have a smiley face with a moustache, but I do. So these seeds have toasted now. So now I'm going to put them in the pestle and mortar.
They smell like sausages.
Oh, be careful there. Okay, so these onions go on really low heat for quite a while, and they go really golden and crispy. Perfect. Well done, Anise.
Those onions are quite nice.
It's really tempting to eat these onions whilst you're cooking, but don't, because you'll have none left by the time you've had. When you have one, you'll want another one. It releases dopamine in the brain. Don't do it! Okay, so I'm also going to add the turmeric and garam masala. That's 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And that will make the onions really yellow. Now this turmeric, it stains everything. It's so yellow, and it will stain all of your clothes.
So the trick to make your hands not get stained by the turmeric is to drizzle like olive oil, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, not with turmeric, on your hands.
How much chilli have I got here? Half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Or maybe a teaspoon, I can't remember. These chilli flakes are going to give it a nice little kick and some heat. So I've just got some organic red lentils here. You need to wash them really thoroughly. So just get us a bowl like this. You put the lentils in and you put water inside. Then you drain it until the water is completely clear. So this is going to go in to be a little bit crisped.
Lentils are a really great food. They've got a nice combination of protein and carbohydrate and lots of fibre as well. So this can make you feel fuller for longer, so you feel more satisfied with your meal, but the fibre as well also helps with a nice healthy digestive system.
Some people might pronounce it dal, but our grandpa, who's from India, pronounces it dal. So there's a difference between dal and dal. So Either way you pronounce it, they're both the right way,
So I've got some choice tomatoes and I've chopped them into quarters. So there's some coconut, there's the vegetable stock. Then I'm going to bring it to boil, and so that's going to go.
So we're going to add a bay leaf, 3 cardamom seeds, a black cardamom and cinnamon sticks.
So that's 1 bay leaf.
I'm going to do 2 cinnamon sticks.
So cinnamon's a great herb. Not only if you smell it, you can improve your memory, but also from a food perspective, it can help control the sugars in your blood, which means you can keep your energy levels nice and even.
2 cinnamon sticks.
With these cardamom seeds, they'll get really warm and soft, so you can just
3.
open them
Just
up.
3.
And
Just 3.
you can open them up and eat the seeds.
Put the lid back on, and that
One
will
moment.
really get it with a nice aroma.
Can I just go to the toilet with you?
Anise has gone to the toilet. So Anise, I think you should add the coconut milk now. Ow.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. All of it?
Yep. Every single bit. We're learning that coconut milk is really good for you because it's got a natural sweetness and it's got electrolytes, so that's why we're using it today, even though Grandpa doesn't usually use it in his dal.
Whilst this is cooking, there's something else we could be doing. Can you guess what it is?
Cleaning up.
While Darshan is clearing up, I'm going to chop some coriander. I'm just going to cut the stalks off because they're like the bad part of the coriander.
So they bring out a lot of flavour, don't do that.
The stalks?
Yeah.
I've never chopped coriander before.
So I think what you could do is put the spinach on now. You just go like, or you can do that. And the spinach just sinks down. In a few minutes you will see how flattened it has become. It's amazing what spinach can do when it's just left alone. It's like when you leave a raisin, when you leave a grape in the sun, it just shrivels up. Whereas when you leave this in heat, it just goes down. It wilts. So I'm going to squeeze some lemon on. The lemon gives it a bit of acidity. Oh. So now the dal is ready. So this is some boiled rice, which we've just boiled with a bit of salt.
So we're going to do that. That's fine. That's fine.
That's quite hot. I'm just going to double check that your cooker is off because you don't want to burn yourself. So, tasting time. Oh, it smells so good. I need some.
You really need to make this. I wish you guys were here so you could try it. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Oh god, hot.
Make sure you try this recipe. You've got no option. It is delicious. You have to try it.
And press this red button.
Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on KidLivZ. Bye.